with you all this Kylie inspired makeup tutorial look, and this look is inspired by one of her Instagram pictures. I must say one of her Instagram looks, and in this look she had wore a nice peachy eyeshadow shade and pink lips, and I tried to create the same. If you want to know how to get this look, make sure you watch the whole video till end, and without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So I'm already done with the first step, that is moisturizing my face, and now we are moving to the next step, that is applying primer. And for today's video I'm going to use this Prep Me Up primer from Nykaa. And this primer is going to help to glide my foundation very well to my skin, and also it will act as a layer to protect my skin from any damage or harm that makeup can cause to my skin. I'm done applying with primer, and now I'm going to conceal my under eye area over my eyelids, and also area beside my mouth. And for that I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade C12. I'm just going to apply a tiny amount of concealer under my eyes and over my eyelids, because I want to keep this makeup as simple and natural as it can be. And I'm going to blend this concealer with help of my fingertips. After applying concealer, now I'm moving on to foundation. Today's video I'm going to use this foundation from Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in shade 04 Ture Tan. And I'm going to apply this foundation with the help of this brush. So I'm going to set my base makeup with the help of this compact powder from Blue Heaven in shade 04 Natural. Now moving on to the eye makeup. So first I'm going to begin with my eyebrows, doing my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire in shade 02 Dark Brown. So for my eye makeup I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette, and it's in shade Rose in the Air, and I'm going to use this light brown shade from this palette, and I'm going to apply all over my eyelids. And after that I'm going to take this pink shade from the Makeup Revolution palette Marvellous Mattes, and then I'm going to apply this over that brown shade. So for my liner, I'm going to use today this liner from Lakme, Insta-Liner, and in a look I have seen that she had worn a liner at the outer V, and it was a wing liner. So even I'm going to try that. So let's begin with applying liner. Now I'm taking the same brown shade from the Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. So for mascara, I'm going to use this mascara from Cosmetic, which is called as Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in shade 01 Black Beauty. As you can see guys, this mascara really made my lashes pop. For today's blush, I'm going to multi-use this palette as blush also, and I'm going to use this pink shade from this palette as my blush. She had a really pinky cheeks and also lips, so for that I'm going to make this pink as possible. And also a little on my nose. And for today's highlight, I'm going to use this highlighter from Sivanna Colors Contour and Illuminate Highlighting Palette. So for today's video, I'm going to use these two lipstick shades. One is from Faces Canada in Glazing Blush 02 and other is from Makeup Revolution in shade Domineer. And let me tell you one thing, that this is a pink shade and this one is a nude blush shade. And I'm going to apply first. First I'm going to apply this pink shade. I'm going to outline lip with this shade first. I'm going to dab this Makeup Revolution lip shade on my lips. I think this lip shade has become a little bit more lighter. So I'm taking this lip shade from Faces Canada. I'm going to dab it again on the lighter shade. And I think so that's pretty much it. And here guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of every such new videos. And comment down below that and let me know what you think about this look. And see you next time in another video. Till then, bye.